Welcome to Sunset Vans. This is the demo for our driver safety partition, which has been installed on this vehicle, as you can see here. Now this driver partition is sealed, so no air from the passenger cabin can reach the driver cabin. So you can see here we have room for the seats to fold back. And as we enter the passenger cabin, we're gonna see two single folding seats, a power wheelchair lift, which is also gurney accessible for rear entry, and a HEPA filter which sucks dirty air from inside the passenger cabin to the exterior of the vehicle as clean air. Now as we enter the driver cabin, you're gonna see clean air. And as we open the passenger cabin, you're gonna see that they're completely sealed and separate. And we have air being expelled from inside the passenger cabin. We developed this vehicle to help combat and safely transport patients during the COVID-19 epidemic. Please contact us with any questions you have about our vehicle. We would love to help you during these times. Thank you, and we hope you enjoyed.